If you're encountering the CS2 Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue and ensure your game saves correctly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saving. Step 2. Restart the game. Close CS2 completely and then restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud save service and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. Open new game platform like Steam and verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for any missing or corrupted files and replaces them. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that CS2 is updated to the latest version. Developers often release patches that fix bugs, including cloud save issues. Step 5. Check cloud save settings. Go to the settings of your game platform and ensure that cloud saving is enabled for CS2. Sometimes settings can be changed inadvertently. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cloud save error and enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions.